So what page is this in your journal? 15. So let's do some free answers for 15.
Are you going to post a video of this at home if we don't finish?
I can post it right now. Okay. So on this page, this is the one that, remember I told you everybody does this on, they go, oh, I won't do them in order. I'll just, okay. So as Mr. Sleeter said, the first prime number is 2. What are its factors? Sorry. 1 and itself, right? So is it a prime number? So you put P for prime. Okay? Composite's a word, if you watch some home shows, composite means it's made up of a lot of stuff. Like, sometimes wood is called composite because it's a bunch of stuff put together. Sometimes they call it laminated. Like that wood has a nice covering on it, but it's really doubtful that it's actually a half-inch thick piece of wood. Okay? That means a bunch of sawdust and stuff is crammed together and they put a wood covering over it. Composite means it's made up of a bunch of stuff. Okay. All right. What about 4? What will we write up here for 4? What are the factors for 4? Okay. Keegan?
1, 2, and 4.
Okay, hold on. I'm having a pen issue. 1. Can I recommend you do it like this, okay? 1 and 4, and then 2 and 2. This has more than 2 factors. What do you put here? It's not P this time. What do you put? You put C for composite. So you have 1, 2, and 4. Okay. Nevaeh, what are we going to put for 5? Factors for 5. 1 and 5. Anything in between work? Good job. Okay. 6 had these factors. It was filled in for you. Okay. What about 7? Can anybody give me the factors for 7? Yes, Evan.
1 and 7.
1 and 7. Are there any others? Nope. How many people are getting a hang of this right now? Okay. What's another prime number after 7? What's the next prime number after 7? 8, 9, 3 times 3. 9 doesn't work. 10 doesn't work. What's the next prime number? 11. Good job. So 1 and 11, and that's prime. Having this up would really be very helpful for what game do we play? Buzz. If you buzz on all these numbers, so you can just count and keep going down, and you say buzz on every prime number. Okay. What's the next buzz number after 11? 12 is even, so you don't want to do that. Is 13 buzz?
Yes.
Okay. I know it's confusing. It's not as fun when we play buzz to say prime composite. It's more fun to say buzz. That's why we call prime numbers buzz. Okay, what's the next buzz number after 13? Try. What? 17 is right, yeah. Okay, and they gave you 19, so we had to come over here. What's the next buzz number after 19? Yes. 21 is 3 times 7, so that does have some factors. Let's put this, while we're at it, why don't we go and put this down? 1 and 21. 2 doesn't work, 3 works, 3 times 7. 4 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 6 doesn't work. That's how we know we're done. What about 22? Is that buzz? Nope. 2 times 11, you're right. So I'm going to start by this, 1 and 22, and 2 and 11. And then you can test 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't work. Oh, by the way, okay, so I put C for these. Okay, 23, buzz or not? It is buzz. What's the next buzz number after 23? There's another one in the 20s. Yes? 3 times 9 works for 27. So 27 is a good try. So we know 3 times 9. What's another one in the 20s? Yes, Kara?
28.
20 is even. It's got lots of factors. Yes? 29. So that's a buzz. Okay. Okay, what's the next buzz number after 29? It's really close. 31. Yep. What's the next buzz number? Don't say 33. Because what goes into 33? 11 times 3. Nice job. So there's there's one buzz number in the 30s left. It's not 39. I'll poke you with a stick. Do not. Okay, what is it? 37. Yeah, that's it. Everything else. Thank you for being honest and saying you're confused. Who's confused? Okay, thank you for being honest. These numbers remember we talked about fact families when you were a real little kid in math?
Yeah.
These people have tiny fact families. There's hardly anything gives you 37 when you multiply them. So you get 1 times 37. That's it. When you only have 1 in itself, it's called a prime number. If it has a bunch of family members, lots of factors, it's a composite. So you put C's. So let's do one of the harder ones together. Let's do 39. Okay, it's divisible by 3. That's one of the things you should get. 1 and 39. It is divisible by 3 because 3 plus 9 is what? 3 plus 12, right? So 3 goes into 12. It's divisible by 3. So it's 3 times what equals 39? 3 times my 13. Now, Mason, since there's more than 2 factors, what do you put here? P or C? Is it C for composite? How many people get that now? Okay. Now, as you run down the factors, because this is homework, it's perfect timing. You have to put all the factors in. And if you start making the bridge or the rainbow, whatever you want to call it, make sure that you start like this. Let's do 28 together. And I'm just going to change the ink. Hold on. Okay. Don't do it like this. 1, 2, 4, 7. Don't do it like that. You'll leave it out. Start 1 and 28. 2 times 4 times 7. If you list them, you'll leave things out, I promise you. Because I've been doing this since 2001. That's hundreds of kids have played this game. That says a 7.